We just hit 1,000 subscribers. I don't have any party things, so let's pretend I've got a party horn and a hat and there's balloons and a big cake. But really, thank you to everyone who supported this little channel. We read all your comments and we really love seeing you enjoy these videos. We've worked really hard to get to this point, and we know it's a relatively small milestone comparatively, but we're still really proud of it. So as YouTube doesn't do anything specifically to celebrate hitting 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be making our very own 1,000 subscribers plaque, but make it very jelly and pickle. I have limited craft supplies at the moment, as most of our things are in storage for our house renovations, so we're working with what I have, which is a canvas, some paint, fabric scraps, and enthusiasm. Regular YouTube plaques are pretty minimalist, and we don't do minimalist around here. So I want to make this match our style, ready to display in our new home. Once we build some walls to put it on, of course. So I'm going full jelly and pickle by painting on our faces that I designed for the channel, using the background I also designed, with home renovation icons and crafty tools, as well as a scrap fabric play button. And because I don't think anyone is going to be following along at home with this one, I'll just let the video play, while you watch this perfectly jelly and pickle play button come to life. While I let me carry on making this plaque, I again want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has supported us so far. The videos have been a bit all over the place, but if you've seen our recent videos, that also describes our life at the moment. The house and garden we've been lovingly restoring for the past year is now well and truly into its renovation stage, with the house, as we speak, being completely gutted and transformed into our future dream home. So this means lots and lots of videos to come on us transforming the 1960s mismatched bungalow into the perfect jelly pad. None of this is going to be a quick process, but there is so much to do, so I don't think we're ever going to run out of things to renovate, decorate, restore, transform, craft for a long time. And we of course will be making videos along the way, hopefully a little more consistently. I'm saying this now to hold myself accountable, by the way. So expect a lot more home renovations and decoration videos, Of course, we will always have the garden to restore. I plan on making a lot more DIYs, both for the house, but also smaller things like home decor, or anything creative I feel like I just need to make. We can't wait to see where this little channel takes us. But for now, I'm happy making our own little milestone tracker, and being able to look back on the videos we've done and seeing the incredible progress we've made with the garden even now is exactly why we made this channel. So if you're even a little bit as excited as me to see the journey we're going to be making over the next however long, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.